So here's the project for today. Fixing this broken headlight. Well, it all happened when my son Tristan came from school. He didn't know that he was backed into. Good thing it's just a scratch and just a headlight lens that's broken. The headlight unit's actually working just fine. And just to replace this thing, the whole thing, man, it's a lot of money just to buy this unit. So I'm going with the route of first just trying to replace the lens. Now it's a lot of work, but let's see. What's there to lose, right? So based on my research, based on a lot of YouTubes, I have to pull that thing out. And to pull that thing out, I have to pull the whole bumper out. Well, most of this piece here, I have to pull it out because there are two screws underneath to get to. So to get to that, first I have to remove this here. I have to remove this one. I have to remove this one in order to get to, well, I could get to the screw here, but I prefer I can see the whole thing, so it's easy for me to pull it out. These are the screws to take out the bumper, right? There's also a small one here, a rivet, a plastic rivet. You can easily to pop out. And another important thing to remember is that to take out these two grills in order for you to get into the bumper clip. There's one here, there's one, there's two down here, and there's one here. I also undid this one and these two down here so that it's easy for me to just move the bumper out, give me space in my in taking out the light. Oh, to take out the grill, these are the ones that you have to press so that you can pull out the grill. You'll just have to slowly pull it out. Make sure you don't break a clip. And there are two screws up here holding this bumper up. And in order to get to those two screws, I have to pull this one out. The problem is there are some plastic rivets here that are one-time use. So if I destroy that thing, if I pull it out, I won't be able to use that anymore. So I have to buy new ones. So I have to do that, I have to do this, and I have to do that. And I believe is there another one over here? I don't think so. So if I get that out, I'm able to pull this out. I'm able to pull this rubber here and be able to see the screws up here. So after I get those two screws, those are the most hardest one to actually get to. All other stuff are just so small little screws to undo, like underneath. You see those screws? That's one, that's two, right? Those are so easy to undo. There's another one up here and down here. It's to undo. And that's it. Pulling the bumper out. That's all you need. Again, the main goal is to replace this lens. And that's it. Do the head first. Like that. There you go. There. Nice. So that's the first screw. That's the second screw. Those are the only two screws on the top. And there's two other screws underneath. And then we can pull the whole thing out. Try using that. You need a flatter screwdriver?
No, I'm just afraid I'm gonna hit the pin.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let me find some. There you go. Good. So that's how it works.
Is it the whole thing? Or
No,
just the side?
just the side. How many left?
There's one more.
One left? Yeah. Once that's pulled out, all we have to do is just pull this out now. That's it, right? Then we can actually start pulling this rubber out. Holy crap. How do we... I think we have to take out the wheel.
Yeah.
Right? So it's easy. Okay, let's do that. Okay.
So I have to do that, right?
Yeah, righty loosey, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Yep. So we end up removing the wheel well cover, and those are the two screws that needs to be taken out. Yeah. Once we take those out, the bumper goes down. We'll be able to pull the light. I believe those are the two screws that holds the light. The inside two screws. Okay. Cool. Just another one.
What?
What?
Look at my thing.
Oh, your glove gets stuck.
Yeah.
Just a quick recap, because I think I pointed out the wrong screws. I pointed out that these screws has to be removed for the bumper. Those are actually wrong, right? Those are not the screws for the bumper. The screws for the bumper are actually here. As you can see, there's two long screws. There's two of them over here. Right, one over there, one over there. Those are the ones that's holding the bumper. See that? Removing the bumper, these are the two most important and pain in the ass screws that needs to be taken out. All other screws are pretty simple and clips, and that's it. So take note of that. Such a pain in the ass. Okay.
We should, whoever I find who hit the car, I gotta make them.
So here's the headlight unit of taking it off from the car, and here's the replacement lens. As you can see, most of the damage is just on the front one, the front piece of the lens. Need to figure out now how to basically label each and every clip. There's two on the top. Actually, there's three. And there are also a few more underneath. Let me see. Yeah. There's about two. I can see two. So after taking off the clips, I need to basically use a heat gun to pull out the lens. Hopefully it will come out easily, and replace it with this one. Finally took out the lens. It took a while to take it off. It was more of a family event taking it off, but we managed to get it out. It's time to put the new lens in. So let's see, hope it works. So decided to try and install the lens without the sealant yet. So far looks good. It fits just fine. So we'll see. So here's the lens, finally sealed. It's not perfect, but there, as you can see, the clips, labeled them properly. That's the seal. Yeah, it looks good. I made sure I put extra seals on them, just to make sure no moisture goes in. Yeah, one I managed to break a clip, but I think that's okay. Now it's ready. This whole thing is ready to be installed. I think we did a good job. Now it's a matter of just putting everything back in place. So put it back. Of course, the rule is to always test before putting everything back in place. So I'm gonna put back this connector, and then I'm gonna test it out. So far so good, it actually worked. Okay, let's test it out. Nice. Perfect, yeah. Looks like everything is working just fine. Okay, we're ready to put it back all. We're good. Finally completed the reinstall. Put the bumper back in. Light is flushed. New lens. was a good job. Yeah. Shout out to my friend Rex for always inspiring me to do more. Except for that idea of putting the whole light unit in the oven. But still, thanks. Thank you, my friend.